Good day, muscle car fans. Today we have an auto world of the 1963 Dodge Polara. Okay, it says it's new tooling, but I don't know how old this is. Somewhere in there, maybe 2015. Okay, so this is actually pretty old. Okay. So the Polara, I guess, dates between 1960 to 1973, a few different generations. The very first one was really big, I guess. But this is the second generation that was around 1962 to 1964. And it was made smaller and lighter than the previous one because there was a misunderstanding. The president actually misheard the president of Chevrolet talking about next year's models being downsized. But that wasn't the case. So Dodge, downsized their main car, their number one, I guess their A-class vehicles, thinking that Chevy was going to do the same. But but then when they discovered that that wasn't the case, they had to scramble to put out something else as a full-size vehicle. So this was the first B-class chassis, I guess, for the Dodge group there. Let's see, it's supposed to be powered by a choice of 3.7 inline sixes up to 7-liter V8. So 7 liters, that's a pretty big one. Sorry, I don't know what's going on with. Yeah, sorry. I stacked my photos so I can try to fit them all on the screen a little bit better. So this one has different wheels. The first one had wheels like these, but this is a pretty good side shot here. Okay, so then in 1963, I guess there was a wheelbase increase. So they're trying to enlarge the car again, and it had all new sheet metal for 1963. So seems like in the 60s, like cars change like every year, like the fascia, the grill, or something like that. That's the trend, or something I noticed here. All right, let's get this camera back so more light can get in there. So this is a nice metallic. It's I don't know, it'd be a very light green, I guess. And then yeah, these wheels, they're like hubcaps, I guess. They look pretty good. And then the white walls that Auto World did, they look pretty good too. We got this interesting, well, let's see if this printing is legible. It is. It says Polara. So then some silver paint is starting here and going all the way back on this casting, some ribs here, back to the bumper. Interesting. So a protrude bump here for the lock, and a bump, well, a protruding door handle with some silver on it. There's also some sort of graphic here, and I do see that on the side photograph, but the side photograph, it looks backwards. I don't know which is correct. Maybe that side photograph was a bad restoration or something. The side windows have nice silver paint for the molding, and then no glass at all, which is great. I do like that because you can see the interior better, right? Sadly, it's a black interior, so it's still a little bit hard to see, but you can see some ribbing on the back seats. It's pretty hard with the front, though. Get the flashlight here. Totally blank dash. Would have been cool if they like molded in some details. Interesting ribbing going on the passenger side dash. No headrest or anything like that. And then door panels even have some details as well. Yeah, okay. So nothing to complain about there. Let's go around to the front. Casted in bumper, painted silver. Oh, into something. Yeah, these ghostly white headlights. I'm wondering, maybe one day I'll make my own decals and just start decaling all these Auto World headlights so they look more like Hot Wheels. This is interesting. It is recessed quite a bit, these lights here. I'm not sure if they're fog lights or what, or turn signals. Maybe these are the turn signals. It's got the bumps here to rivet the bumper on. And it's nice, there's some actual license plate there, so that's nice. I can't really tell what state it is, though. Anyone can guess? I have no idea. CK727. What does that mean? If anyone knows, leave a comment. So the grill has some black wash or something going on in there. Looks good. Then we have this emblem here. looks alright. Some sort of bump on a magnification next to it, maybe a casting blemish or something. Let's see, some vent details. The wiper blades are really small. I don't know why Auto World does this on their castings, or at least these earlier ones. That's way too small, the blade itself. Could have been molded bigger. Let's see, how's this hood open? Just enough to get my pick in there. Okay, so the hood does actually open a good amount, so you can actually see the engine. Yeah, it's nice to get a little floating thing here and here. Orange block. Not bad, I guess. Not bad. Still would rather not have the thing open, but... Alright, going on this side seems pretty good. And then going around to the back, what do we have here? The license plate again. And then the taillight printing is acceptable, I guess. Dodge printing looks good. And then that Polara logo. I guess Polara is named after the Polaris star, because in the early 60s the space race was happening. More rivets here. More silver for the glass back there. Alright, and then underneath we got your standard Auto World metal base, but it's press fit together. Skinny tires look appropriate, and then the treads look alright. Unfortunately, I don't think they tell you what the car is. That's one thing that I don't like about this brand. But I think they all roll and all that stuff. It's a very heavy model with that metal base, but yeah, it just means it costs more to ship. Alright. Well, alright, I guess it's alright. I keep on saying alright. Alright. Let's see, we have a Plymouth Roadrunner from 1973 by Auto World there. We have a Johnny Lightning, what is this thing, a 71 Charger or something? A 71 Dodge Charger. Johnny Lightning does tell you what the car is on the bottom, so that's nice. Got a 73 Mustang Mach 1 by Auto World. Other muscle cars. Yeah, we got this green light Mustang Boss something. I do like the green light tells you what it is also. Boss 429. I guess that'll do for today. So, yep, just filling out my muscle car collection here, because, yeah, they're harder to buy or pay shipping to Asia. So, let's get these out of the way. So, no major QC problems. Tiny little blemish, I guess, under magnification next to the front badge, but otherwise, I mean, it's nice to see that the white walls are actually round, and in general, it's just a funky car. You know, I think it's cool that Auto World even made this casting, because I don't know if you guys think this is good looking. I don't think it's a good looking car, but it's just ugly enough that I like it, you know, so that's me. Okay, well, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next Auto World video.